Welcome to today's video, guys. There's a lot of stuff going on. Everyone's here having a good time working on their cars, except for one human in particular.
Oh, I'm done. I was working. I'm taking a break. You know?
Have you done anything to your car?
I had to raise it up. Remember with the spray?
Remember?
He did raise.
I raised it up.
The rear up.
Was that hard? Was that difficult?
No, SPL made it really easy, actually. There's like these buckets. It's cake.
Oh, you don't have a true coilover.
These dudes, see? I could be f***ing your shit up. Instead, I'm chilling on your seat.
We're having fun. I don't know what you're talking about.
What are you doing, Grant?
So I just ran, you can't see it, but I just ran the bulkhead through for the hydro.
Into the trunk.
Put the hydro in. Rear's done. Got to do the front angle, and then I'm ready to smash that pretty little black door in.
Check out this.
I love the crookedness. There's a little bit of laziness there, huh?
It's not crooked.
Yeah, this doesn't come straight up.
This doesn't.
I could tell you picked the wrong hole.
Yeah, no, I drilled it.
It looks
He's
good.
habitual.
I'm just messing with you.
You're habitual.
I saw your whole story on it, so I just had to give you a little. I had to hit you on your insecurities.
That's okay. I'm fine.
He just called talk about me.
God, this is. You know what?
These are flammable too.
Little does Adam know that.
Do you need this for anything?
No. Do it.
Yo.
Yo.
No.
Yeah, you know what's terrible? Yesterday, Grant started his car, the pretzels went everywhere. Pete ran in here.
He ate them all.
He ate the black ones that were like covered in soot.
I saw him eating them.
Yeah, he was fine, but.
It's called karma, Adam.
I really want to put something disgusting in Rudnick's exhaust. That like won't go like a muffin.
Let's pack it with, well, I just gleeked. Let's pack it with cheese puffs and then put a hose in it so they get all soggy, nasty.
Johan's been chipping away on the chaser. I know Mike filmed some clips of them going over the manifold setup. We got a beautiful new RTEC setup. This is actually a T4 one because it kind of suited the car a little bit better versus the log style. And I think it's gonna sound pretty cool. Also, just so you guys know, the RTEC manifolds for the SR are now back in stock. Super cool manifold. I know you guys saw it in my video. They pretty much sold out instantly. We had like just a handful on stock. Just got our second batch in. They're gonna go fast, so go over to Drift HQ right now if you guys wanna get your hands on one.
We took off the dog race manifold to see the clearances on this other version of the RTEC twin scroll T4 manifold, and this one has the dual gates for better boost control. What we wanted to see with this manifold was more like turbo location, and it's placed in a good spot. So I don't have no complaints there. It's better than the log option, which pushes the turbo closer to the shock tower, which I didn't like because of the brake booster, brake master, and the clutch master. Pretty accessible, so you could access all the hardware. Like the top one's never a problem, but on JCs, everybody knows that. Yep. These bolts are always hard to get to. I could literally reach all the bolts from the front to the back, going through the front, and then I could access the back ones. And this is with the car on the, normal height. So the bolts are pretty accessible. This manifold does fit turbos from the G35 to the G45 series because we're using the T4 flange style back housings. So we got big range of turbo options for this setup. When you go to the bigger options like the G45s, because it is a twin scroll and a twin gated manifold, there should be no problems with boost control. I put the furthest back gate on because I was concerned with the engine mount. It fits both left-hand drive and right-hand drive cars. I have plenty of space for a downpipe. I have space for a screamer pipes, or most likely one gate will come down this way. Still have enough clearance to shoot down the oil drain, which you see here. It will have enough clearance to go down straight to the oil pan. It may seem like this manifold is built for the smaller twin gates, like the 38 or the 40 millimeter gates, but it's not. So this run this bigger gates from the 44 to the 46 millimeter, Tile, Turbo Smart, and right now I have a 45 millimeter gate on there, and then it has plenty of clearance. I like this option better than the other style manifold, especially given the combo of parts that we put in the car.
Yeah,
it does have a 36 millimeter runners, internal runners, so it helps with spool and keeps the turbo happy. Now make a decision on which one we run.
Today's gonna be kind of a rough day for me. I got a bunch of meetings and stuff, so I'm not gonna be able to wrench as much or hang out with the boys, but I wanna give you a couple quick updates. Randy was here yesterday. He got the E36 bay all primered up, so he's going to kind of fill in a couple little things, but wanted to get a kind of coat of sealer on it, and it looks pretty good. It's weird seeing this thing not all red and gross, so I'm stoked to see this thing kind of come together. While he was here, I also had him mix up some House of Colors that happened to match the orange on the 350Z perfectly. Shout out House of Colors and Colette, always hooking it up. And I had some faces on some cheap wheels that I had laying around, some Serbs, done in the same orange to match my car. Don't know how they're gonna look, but I just wanted to have real 3-piece wheels on the car, and I still wanted to keep the orange theme alive, so I pop these in the other lips. I think they should look pretty good.
There's a healthy diet of it. Ooh, I'm getting swole. He's trying to thick up. Michael? Yes. What do we say about this? It is beautiful. The quality is amazing. It's gonna make the car feel amazing. I'm excited. With this, I'm gonna drift circles around Grant's ass. And yeah, that's right. You heard me.
I didn't hear you, but all I know is that I was getting hardware all morning. Better not be talking smack.
You were getting hardwood?
It was talking crazy, but we're gonna be installing my FDF angle kit today, and honestly, I'm just super excited about it. This is gonna be like the piece of the puzzle that makes this thing feel, I don't know, what's a good adjective? Amazing. Yeah.
We got Mr. Cricket from HQ trimming my center console for the handbrake. I don't trust myself doing it, so I'm gonna have the professional do it for me. I did all this hard work, and then it would look like junk if I cut the hole. So
it's gonna make me look good, because he did everything that was hard, and all I gotta do is drill 2 holes and just cut the difference between the two. I'll be his hero.
Yeah, he's my hero.
Yes, but it honestly would be...
Oh, come on. Oh. I think that's down all the way.
I need to go up a little bit.
Just a little.
Yep.
Oh, that's sick. But it's down.
Perfect.
Perfect down.
Okay.
Woo, baby!
A little clearancing.
Clarence. All right.
Dude. Money.
That's so sick.
I'm
so excited. Dude, thank you so much.
You're up next, Strappy. I'm up next, hell yeah.
He measured.
Oh, you measured. See, he wouldn't have done it.
I told him, I said, can you please come help me?
Otherwise, you're gonna look like Ray Charles did it.
He would have blown holes.
I wasn't gonna.
I'll say it.
All right, so while everyone's working on the Z's, getting them all put together, I'm gonna be reassembling Adam's Weds, Serbs, and the faces got painted last night, and these lips and barrels are in pretty crappy condition, so I'm gonna clean them up as best as I can. I know this is a drift car, so they're probably just gonna get dirty and thrashed, so I'll do my best, but I'm not gonna go insane. Just gonna get all the loose grime and dirt off, and then start polishing, so. I'll probably put you guys on a tripod or something and time lapse this, because this is just kind of boring, tedious work, but lips should clean up good when they're done. Alright, little update. I started polishing. They weren't really coming back the way that I wanted, so I busted out some sandpaper. It was from the old Griot's headlight kit that we used in the last video, and I've just been wet sanding. So already did 1,000, just stepped it up to 3,000, just trying to get most of the pitting and grime and stuff out that has been caked in there, but it looks much, much better. So I'm gonna polish this up, see how it comes out. It should be sick. on making some pretty good progress. I wanted to show you guys the before. So this is what the lips look like before I attended to them. Just completely hazed, pitted, gross. Not the best polish job, but I think they're coming out pretty good. Still a little bit of haze in there, but they're gonna look so sick on the Z. What do you think?
These things, dude.
Not too bad.
You're kind of shooting yourself in the foot because now when I need wheels polished, I know that you know how. Do we have center caps for these?
I think.
Does it make all the difference?
Oh, yep.
Yeah. No, they just look like 7 times more expensive now.
6 hours later, lips.
It was more than that.
I think I started at 3. It's like 9:30. Yeah.
Arm bumping or what?
Yeah, no, I look like Quagmire from that clip from Family Guy.
Everyone knows.
But all 4 wheels, lips refinished, torqued, sealed, all good to go.
They're hot, dude.
I think it's a vibe.
The caps like solidified it. Like when we put the caps in, we're like, dang, that's cool. Actually, what I really want to see is like, it's hard to not see the anodized. The car's had this for so long. But, no, Mike, we gotta get down.
I think it's gonna be hot, dude.
Look at this, dude. This is gonna be so cool.
I think it's a vibe.
Big serve guy here.
Big serve.
I gotta put silver serves on my car now.
Yeah.
We could party together. It's the transformation of this car in the last week is just mad.
Yeah.
I thought he bought a new car. I
know
fully
that
convinced.
clip from upstairs is so funny.
Adam would too.
Yeah.
He would, yeah.
Just the guy I wanted to see.
I just got out of school. They look so much better with hardware and center caps.
Thank you.
We were worried at first.
I told him when we put the center caps in, they were just like gangster.
Yep.
My hands are
hardware.
so swollen and hurt.
Why?
Just because I've been torquing with a wrench for 6 hours.
You got a diamond ring?
No,
I pay attention to your rings. I've never seen the sparkle, bro. You're shining. Your voice shine. Did you polish your ring? I think he got a little bit of polish on the rings. I think that's what happened. They've never shined like that.
He would do the pass, just get his rings real quick.
Regardless.
Your wheels. Thank you, sir. This
Be
is
careful, there's silicone on the side that's still wet.
What kind of silicone do you use?
The correct kind.
Sick. I'm really stoked that I've discovered this.
Mike walks over. Is this right?
I'm really stoked that we've discovered this new talent of Mike. So like when there's a day with not a lot of stuff to do, just like, oh,
Yeah,
I'm
now.
Exploited yourself.
What do we think about the wheels on the car?
I think they're gonna look sick.
It's gonna be different.
Well, it's gonna be cool to have matching oranges finally.
I know, they've always been like 50 shades.
I pictured this car with these wheels. It's gonna change the whole car more than anything.
Yeah.
Like these wheels are this car.
I'm stoked to see like if it brings the front in a little bit more, which means I can lower the front and it'll rub on my fenders less.
For sure.
I'll sleep so much better at night.
Do you sleep at all?
That sounds like a real emo song. Do you sleep at night?
We can write that. Let's go to the street right now. Guarantee he's cutting something on his body. Watch this. Look at this form. I'm gonna kick him in the back while he's doing this.
I'll drop you right
Just
here.
get it done. You're about not having anything done.
I never said that.
Get it done.
You're not the boss around
Get
here.
it done.
You're not the boss around here.
Now! Look at this form. Let's just critique him. Nope.
You've never touched a tool in your life.
Look at these knuckles. You think I never touched a tool? Look at these
No, that's
busted.
from punching people in the mouth.
No, it's from coil
Oh,
over.
I'm sorry. He actually did one thing and he got blood on his hand because he doesn't know what he's
I'm
doing
gonna
no
do two
more.
things to get
He's
blood on my
old
hand
as
pretty
hell
soon.
Now. Look at this guy. Oh, he flinched.
No!
Don't. Come on, you're
I'm
shot.
getting the shot.
You bet.
Watch your hand.
It's still spinning.
He's swinging around, f***ing around. You signed the waiver, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at me. Just look at me the whole time.
Pretty nervous. I wish I had. God! You scared the hell out of me, dude.
He's very nervous, he says.
I am
Oh,
nervous.
you're doing this.
I'm doing it all, baby.
So, hey, one word of advice. I wouldn't have put it there. I would have put it like,
no,
yeah.
I don't. I marked it in the car. I'm good. You
Mike,
do yours.
Mike, follow up on this.
Yeah, Mike, follow up on it, because whether my ankle's messed up, whether I mess up or not, I did it myself. Unlike that ball, dude. Sorry, I keep swearing. You got gloves? Welding gloves?
Ronneck is welding, so I'm like, where's Marco? Marco's over here, so I was like, who's welding?
Fuck with all your settings. He ran them. He gummed up the wire.
Welding 101, I didn't clean the surface. You filming me?
I got a special delivery for the boys. Jimmy, look what I got. For the boys.
Hello.
For the boys.
For me.
Type S LED kits for the boys.
Boys, for us. We're spoiled. We're super spoiled.
That's the best of the best. I can't wait for you guys to see these kits.
Ooh, you said these
They're
were
so
like
good.
made
FD spec,
FD
bro.
spec, so these things are bright and busting.
Just open one up and look at the packaging real
Not
quick.
gonna lie, we may have snuck and opened one up, and they are the craziest LED kits I've ever seen.
Did you take mine?
Right there. Runnick took it.
It's time unboxing here.
Ready?
Yeah.
The presentation is what got me.
Thick cardboard.
Yup.
Good start. Oh man, I feel like I'm buying a new iPhone, you know?
It kind of looks like a MacBook box, doesn't it? Look at that.
Yeah, I feel like I'm buying this is an Xbox. Like I'm about to get my first Xbox.
I'm driving that car next year.
With a little more red.
Yeah. Look at
Jesus, the presentation is unreal.
I know.
Alright. Ooh.
Isn't that beautiful?
Some
And look at
RGB.
Instructions.
We don't need those.
All right, so part of the deal is I don't have time today. Can you put it on my seat?
We gotta tag team someone in here.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh my, dude, I've never seen such a thick LED strip in my life. This is for like a Peterbilt. What the heck?
So I'm gonna put that on my GT3 later. Yo, people would be so triggered. That'd kind of be cool.
I love it.
I
I
might
mean,
need
it's
to
not
do
like
that.
it's a permanent thing,
Yeah.
so it's like, geez, is this
Isn't that crazy?
to light the whole road up?
There's a lot going on. We got a very special track day tomorrow. What I'm most excited about today, but what you guys will have to wait for the next video for, the GT3 is home. I gotta fill you guys in on where it's been and what got done to it, but I'm very excited to get this thing on the lift, rip out the stock exhaust and put in an aftermarket system. So that'll be in the next video. A lot of stuff going on. I think the Chaser should also start for the first time tomorrow, shooting to get it tuned this weekend. Jamie Marsh is coming down, so I'm pumped about that, and it's gonna be a good time. Hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you soon.
I'm gonna kick him in the back while he's doing this.
I'll drop you right
Just
here.
get it done. You're about not having anything done.
I never said that. You're not the boss around
Get
here.
it done.
You're not the boss around here.
Now.
You've never touched a tool in your life.
Look at these knuckles. You think I never touched a tool? Look at these
No, that's
buzzers.
from punching people in the mouth.
No, it's